To get 1,000 free coins in eFootball 2025 mobile, follow these steps, which often involve participating in special campaigns and events within the game. 1. Daily login bonuses. During special events or campaigns, Konami rewards players for simply logging into the game daily. Make sure to log in consistently, as you can accumulate coins this way. For instance, the startup campaign offers rewards for regular login 7 source. 2. Complete in-game events and challenges. Participating in specific challenges, like the Match Pass events, allows you to earn coins. You may need to play a certain number of matches to unlock rewards 6 source, 7 source. 3. Special promotions. Konami occasionally offers promotions where players can get coins as part of a celebration or launch event. For example, logging in during particular date ranges or participating in tour events can earn you coins 7 source. 4. Game achievements. You can also earn free coins by completing certain in-game milestones or achievements related to gameplay 8 source. Keep an eye on these recurring events and promotions to ensure you take full advantage of the free coin opportunities.